Hey Steve, I hope you are doing well. So our bot is ready for whitepages.com. Well, in this short video, I'm going to show you that how you'll be using this bot on your PC. So I'm going to send you this zip file. You have to extract it and then open this folder. When you scroll down, you will see this application file here named whitepages.com data scraper. You have to run this file. Here are your credentials. And the first step for you is to import the CSV file containing the site street number, site street name, site city, and the owner names. Okay. After that, you just have to press the start button. Then it will log into the whitepages.com, and then it will start uh, the scanning process. So as you can see, it has been logged in. Now it will using site street number, name, and zip code to search these owners, and then it will be getting their phone numbers. Let me show it to you. So as we can see, there are 15 columns for the phone numbers because we don't know how many phone numbers we are going to get for each owner. So it will be trying to get as many phone numbers for each owner as we can. Okay, so like all these data is same, and from here we do have our owners. Okay, for each record, and we do have their phone numbers. Here we can see the count of the records. So for this, we do have three phone numbers. Okay. When you will be using the bot, you have to you won't be able to minimize this Chrome screen because there are JavaScript and Ajax in this website, and uh, our bot is like switching between these tabs as well. So we need to keep open this tab. So here is a pause button. Let me pause the bot and show you the output now. So for this, we do not have any phone number, but all of the other records we do have the phone number. And here is the export button. We can export from here and open these files from here directly. Okay, so this is the file that we have imported in the bot. Okay, and this is the file that bot has generated. So I think that's all for this demo. And if you face any problems with this bot, do let me know. And if any other guys, if you are watching this video and if you're interested to getting this bot, then you can contact me and I will assist you with this as soon as possible I can. Okay. Have a good day, Steve. Take care, please. Bye.